And we're back. So went ahead and just took my pocket knife, trimmed a little bit off of that real quick. So I'm just gonna hold this here. Just screw this in. Tighten that down again. And tighten the top one again. Okay. Then these shims were super easy to just take a little bit off. So well, you can see it helped a little bit, but it's still a little bit more on the left hand side is so you could almost just like take a shim and put it behind those other shims, like a really narrow little piece, and bring those others out a little bit. It's a little bit better than it was, but or we could try just like tightening it down a little bit more, or as you can see, it's kind of going into the wood here a little bit, so I think really if I just back this out a little bit, and just took this one and just put it more behind it. Put it more behind it. Okay. Maybe it will be less inclined to kind of pinch into it. Okay. Oops. Alright. So doing that with the top. And with the bottom. Let's see here. I'm going to try with the bottom here. Maybe I'll take this one out of here. Try and put it more behind here. Like that. Okay. Just have this one. Lift this up just a hair here. Okay, tighten it back down. Just basically put it behind more surface area on the left hand side there. So when I torque it down, it'll be more inclined to lean right, I'm hoping. Okay, let's see where we are now. I think you get the general idea. You can keep tweaking it here and there a little bit and get it to where it's going to work for you. This is not too bad. You can tell it's still a little bit lopsided, but you get the gist of this, right? Plus, This this is just in a tree house, so I'm not super upset about it being a little bit off here. So I'm gonna say that's good enough for a tree house. Obviously, we could, if you wanted to take little pieces of wood and shim behind on the left, you could do that and then probably make it better. But anyway, that's how you fix that. You could just shim it up with some actual shims. And if you need to trim little pieces off with your pocket knife or whatever, it's super easy. So thanks for watching, folks. It's super cheap, super easy, looks way better. And like I said, this is just for a tree house. If it was for my actual house, I'd probably, yes, take the extra time to maybe cut a little bit wider piece for the bottom, or the bottom left, and just pull that out a little bit. But yeah, I'm not super concerned. It looks good enough for a tree house. So thanks for watching, everyone. Hope that helped you with your little problem there. And there are pieces that you can buy. It looks way better anyway. There are pieces that you can buy, I think at Home Depot or Home Improvement store, whatever, where it's like a little plastic tab that has that fits right behind there, and it's different. You can make it varying widths. I'm not sure if they have one where you could have, if your thing is a little bit lopsided, if you could fix that. But obviously, just like using a little piece of shim that you've cut or whatever would be able to fix that if you're super concerned about it. So thanks for watching, everyone. Have a great day out there.